Pharmaceutical substances. For over 30 years, pharmaceutical substances has been a standard reference in the chemical and pharmaceutical industry. It is the most authoritative resource for researchers, process chemists, teaching in the field of medicinal and pharmaceutical chemistry, and everyone involved in the design, discovery, development, evaluation, and marketing of drugs. Pharmaceutical substances is a first point of reference for anyone wishing to screen references to drugs before turning to more detailed primary literature. Extensive indexing and cross-linking of references provides you with a fast and easy way to compare pharmaceutical ingredients with similar characteristics. It gives full industrial synthetic routes which are extracted from the patent literature for every significant API, currently numbering 2,700, showing industrial processes in practice. You can get an overview of the pharmaceutical industry from a synthetic chemist's perspective. Use it to find out what makes a feasible drug and generate ideas by searching for chemically related substances. Learn about medicinal and process chemistry, how to design a synthesis that is industrially feasible, and get a rapid overview of therapeutic areas or chemically related substances. The authors of pharmaceutical substances are all involved in the pharmaceutical industry and have years of experience interpreting and writing patents, making this unique resource very popular within the pharmaceutical industry, but also within academia for teaching medicinal or process chemistry. This is what Professor Ben List and Professor Dirk Trauner have to say about pharmaceutical substances. Pharmaceutical substances has a simple and intuitive search interface, and the content can be searched by both text, structure, substructure, and reaction searches. Each entry contains factual information on synonyms, molecular formula and weight, ATC codes and uses, CAS numbers, and INCHI keys that can be used in other resources such as PubChem. Substance classes are useful to search for other APIs with similar fragment types. Most important is the synthetic pathway, which has been deduced from the patent literature and shows all of the known reaction intermediates and conditions. All of the substances referenced in the synthetic pathway are listed with chemical name, formula, and CAS number and name. Important market data such as trade names and vendors are given as well as formulations, so that you can estimate the commercial value of an API based on how much is needed per dose. References and patents along with their application dates and priority rights round off each entry. You can search for the API name or the trade name such as Revlimid, or for any other text such as use, ATC code, vendor, etc. Use the Marvin.js drawing tool on the query page to search by structure, substructure, and reaction, for example this nitrobenzoate.